Our seat side rail measures 1 1/8 inches thick. We are setting this up to glue 2 pieces together. Our rough dimension cut list calls for our seat side rail to be 5 inches in width by 18 inches in length. Right now, our work pieces have 1 milled edge from the lumberyard and 1 rough edge. We need to true up the milled edge using the joiner. We can then set our table saw to 5 inches, and with our good, clean, jointed edge up against the fence, we can cut each of our pieces down to 5 inches in width. Now, I am not concerned that I am creating a milled edge with the table saw blade, as these pieces will be glued together and resized down at a later time. And my 4 work pieces now measure 5 inches in width by 18 inches in length.